Good day everyone, and welcome to Adventures with Parker. In today's episode, we're going to pick up right where we left off with our last vlog as we continue to explore more of Toronto's best hidden gems. Last time, we were checking out the power plant, this really cool contemporary art gallery at the Harbourfront Centre, but today, we're going to make our way over to the Church and Wellesley Village, aka Toronto's neighborhood, to meet up with some of our Wonderland friends and grab dinner at Storm Crow Manor, aka Canada's Nerdiest bar. This place is so cool. I featured it on the channel before, but we had to come back. It's just got this really awesome, spooky, nerdy atmosphere, a really cool themed menu, and we even got to roll a d20 for some random shots. So come along and join us for a night of nerdiness and drinks as we check out Storm Crow Manor. We're in for an awesome evening, so without any further ado, let these Storm Crow adventures begin.
I read the 4 of the 45 and said it's 4 shots, but it's 6 shots.
So 6 shots in total for $45. Triple sec. Oh, okay. I'm glad you got 7 because I 18. I don't know it's liquid.
Alright, George, get a good one.
Please get the pickle one, please.
Did you get the pickle one?
No. Wow.
Katniss Everdeen butterable schnapps in front of the
Ooh, that sounds good.
Thank you.
I like the menu. I think it's really interesting. I'm not adventurous enough, I don't think, but
Alright, drinks have arrived. George, what are you sipping on?
It's like a Negroni. I like it. Yeah, it's called the Overlook Hotel. It's the Here's Johnny. Don't overlook the comprehensiveness of this cuckoo nutty twist on a Negroni. It's not bad.
Nice.
I like it.
Okay, Cam, what you got?
I got here butterbeer.
Nice, I actually ordered myself one.
It's
So.
good. It's not like the universal butterbeer, but it's close.
Nice. Hannah, yours is like steaming.
it's steaming. I don't know what it is in all honesty. I asked her what her sweetest drinks were, and she said something, and I go, sure. I'll
All
do that
right,
one.
all right, we love it. We'll try to figure out what it is here.
Solve the mystery, I'm curious.
And then Briggs, you got a
Beetlejuice. Hollywood Nights.
Yes.
You guys want to try it?
All right, food has arrived. I got myself the Botany Bay burger, which is basically an Impossible burger with avocado and some nice Postmates sauce here. Mike, you got the Chi-Chi's chicken bowl. I think that's what I got last time. It looks so good. I think you're gonna like that one.
Yeah.
All right. Cool thing about this place, that the bathroom is downstairs in the dungeons. Leave the baby alone.
Richard!
And that is going to do it for our visit to Storm Crow Manor. I am so glad that we were able to get back here. As one of my all-time favorite restaurants in Toronto, the memorabilia in there is so cool, and I love how all of their drinks and menu items are themed. You can be part of just about any major sci-fi, fantasy, or horror fandom, and they'll have something in there for you. Being in the village is also great because there's so much nightlife to explore, so much art around there as well. Unfortunately, we couldn't stay too late this time around, but I highly recommend hitting up some clubs or catching some drag shows after dinner. Toronto is such a vibrant place, and Mike and I always happen to discover something new every time we visit. We actually live about an hour and a half from the city, so it's a real treat anytime we get to go. Anyways, if you enjoyed this vlog and want to see more adventures from different attractions, art galleries, theme parks, and other cool places, consider becoming a subscriber. This is the final adventure vlog of Season 9, so the next thing I'm going to be putting out will be the Penguins, which are my annual award show for everything we experienced in the past year. I'm then going to take a short break so I can focus on wrapping up my thesis and finishing my degree, and then I'll be back in the fall with even more exciting content and adventures with the launch of Season 10. I'm very excited to share all of that with you, but in the meantime, I should still be active on social media, so you can find me at ADVParker on Instagram, Twitter, and Threads, and at Adventures with Parker on Facebook and TikTok. As always, I gotta give a big shout out to my Patreon subscribers for giving this channel some extra love and support. Chris, Stephanie, Bill, Coker Culture, Arnie, Dominic from Epic Informers, and all of my free supporters, I appreciate you guys so much. And if you're interested in supporting me for as little as a toonie a month in exchange for some sweet perks and bonus content, head on over to patreon.com/advparker to learn about all of the different tiers that I have available. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, the adventures are calling. Bye!
Did you get it?
No, I didn't do it again.